Many say that what you are going to learn today is wrong, because it is manipulation to attract women. But you might say it's just clever tricks. Your body posture says a lot about you. And many times, without you even realizing it, you push women away and drive them away from you just by your body language. Studies show that in 97% of the cases that women feel attracted to a man, it is because of the gestures he makes, surpassing even the choice of appearance. Stay until the end of the video so you don't miss any important information. You are on the Curious Facts channel, and today you will learn 10 persuasive gestures to attract women. 10. Stand tall and straight. Standing tall and straight with your shoulders back is a confident posture that attracts a woman's attention. It conveys strength, self-confidence, and shows that you are comfortable in your own skin. This posture also makes you appear taller, which is a desirable trait for many women. 9. Make eye contact. Making eye contact shows confidence and interest. It shows that you are involved in the conversation and that you have nothing to hide. When making eye contact, make sure you look directly into their eyes, and not at their body. 8. Uncrossed arms and legs. Crossing your arms and legs can create a barrier between you and the woman you are trying to attract. Keeping your arms and legs uncrossed shows that you are open and approachable. It also makes you appear more relaxed and comfortable. 7. Open palms. Keeping your palms open and facing upwards is a gesture of openness and honesty. It shows that you have nothing to hide and that you are not afraid to be vulnerable. 6. Leaning in. Leaning in toward the woman you are interested in shows that you are involved in the conversation and interested in what she has to say. It also creates a sense of intimacy and closeness. Before you go to the next topic, leave like. And there, you did. Then let's go to the next one. 5. Mirroring. Mirroring is a subtle gesture that can build rapport and create a sense of connection. When you mirror someone's body language, you are essentially mimicking their movements. This can help put the woman at ease and make her feel more comfortable around you. 4. Hand gestures. Using hand gestures can help emphasize your points and make you appear more assertive. However, be careful not to overdo it, as too many gestures can come across as nervous and distracting. 3. Taking space. Taking space is a powerful gesture that shows confidence and assertiveness. This can be done standing with feet apart and arms uncrossed. It conveys a sense of dominance and can be attractive to some women. 2. Relaxed shoulders. Keeping your shoulders relaxed and down is a gesture of relaxation and ease. It shows that you are not tense or nervous, and can help put a woman at ease as well. 1. Smile. A genuine smile can greatly attract a woman's attention. It conveys warmth, friendliness, and happiness. However, do not force a smile, as it can appear insincere. We have reached the end of another video. Now comment here below on what you thought and if you already used some technique, even if unconsciously. Subscribe to our channel, we have new videos every day. Leave your like, activate the little bell. See you in the next video.